I took one normal photo and turned it into 5 viral reels using AI. No Photoshop, no editing skills, no expensive software, just using AI. This is a normal photo with no edits applied. The next step is to open ChatGPT. Add the same photo in ChatGPT and provide the following prompt. This is a normal photograph. I would like to transform it into 5 different stylish outfits while keeping the face exactly the same and completely unchanged. Only the clothing and overall styling should be modified. I need 5 different prompts specifically for Gemini. ChatGPT generates 5 unique prompts for image generation. Select New Project. Set the aspect ratio to portrait mode. Next, return to Gemini. Copy the prompt, paste it here, and add the same photograph. Click the arrow to generate the image. After a few seconds, a beautiful image will be created. Now, copy each prompt one by one, paste it here, and generate different images. Using this normal photo, we have created beautiful images with different outfits. The face remains exactly the same and has not been changed. Next, we will convert these images into video. Go to ChatGPT to create the video prompt. Select the image and enter the prompt. Make sure to include this instruction. The face must remain 100% unchanged and identical. No facial enhancement or AI beautification. Now, we will receive a new video prompt. Copy this prompt. Go to Gemini Flow, select the image, paste the prompt, and generate the video. After a few seconds, the video will be ready. Copy all the prompts and generate the videos by following these steps. Copy all the prompts and generate the videos by following these steps.